Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, погода. Часть вторая, страница 50, 51, 52, 53. English, Starlight 2, the weather, homework, page number 50, 51, 52, 53. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 50. 50. Exercise number 1. Circle. Checkpoint. Контрольная. Choose. Выбери. Chocolate, sweets. Juice, jam. Cake, lollipops. Carrots, bananas. Tomatoes, potatoes. Peas, pears. The answer: jam, lollipops, carrots, potatoes, pears. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Ask and answer. Спроси и ответь. Music, sweets, chocolate, football. Do they like music? Yes, they do. The answer: does he like sweets? Yes, he does. Does she like chocolate? No, she doesn't. Do they like football? Yes, they do. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 51. 51. Exercise number 3. Read and underline. Прочитайте и выберите. Do you like carrots? The answer: we sing songs at Miss Gray's class. Harry likes chocolate cakes. They don't ride their bikes to school. Tom and I play for the school football team. Does she like peas? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Complete. Complete in your notebook. Закончите в своей тетради. The answer: Tim is 7. He likes animals. Every Sunday, he rides his bike to his friend's farm. He and his friend play with Molly the monkey. Molly is so clever. She likes to climb and jump. Tim eats lunch with his friend. Then his mommy comes and takes him home. Tim loves Sundays. Sunday is lots of fun. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Read again and write yes or no. Прочтите еще раз и напишите в тетради «да» или «нет». Tim is 8. No. He likes animals. No. Molly is a cat. Yes. Molly is very clever. Yes. Tim's daddy takes him home. No. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 52, 52. Module number 7, the weather. Exercise number 1. Listen and point. Then listen and sing. Погода. Послушай, показывай и говори. It's hot. It's cold. It's sunny. It's raining. It's snowing. What's the weather like today? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny today. What's the weather like today? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? It's hot. It's hot today. What's the weather like today? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? It's raining. It's raining today. What's the weather like today? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? It's snowing. It's snowing today. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Look at the pictures and number. Then say, it's hot, number 3. Посмотрите на картинки и сопоставьте их с предложениями. Затем скажите «жарко», номер 3. It's hot, number 3. It's snowing, number 1. It's sunny, number 2. It's raining, number 4. It's cold, number 5. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. Exercise number 3. Look at the pictures and talk with your friend. Посмотрите на картинки и поговорите с другом. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. The answer. What's the weather like today? It's snowing. What's the weather like today? It's cold. What's the weather like today? It's raining. What's the weather like today? It's hot. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Play the weather game. Поиграйте в игру «Погода». It's cold. It's raining. It's hot. It's sunny. It's snowing. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.